create a new project in LV. Use previously defined data by means of simple drag and drop from other project files. Select the location and obtain the necessary solar irradiation data. You can manually type in the shading coefficient. Design a system on a roof slab with the help of an assisted generator design. Get the project layout. Arrange the single line diagram. And assess the system's peak power even without specifying the periodic or one-off costs. From the program database you can choose a relevant consumption profile and obtain a detailed summary of used and withdrawn energy in the relating annual budget. Finally, simply print the technical and financial reports.